start a new chapter, that is geometrical construction. So before going to start this chapter, what we will understand in this chapter means how to draw a line segment. You will understand line segment, any angle, how to draw an angle. But before going to do all this, we have to understand some basic geometrical instrument like ruler. What is ruler? What is compass? And what is protractor? So these are the basic geometrical instrument which you have to understand, which we call it ruler, which you call it compass, and the protractor. Okay, so this is your line segment. Okay, and you have to draw it. So drawing the line segment of 7.5 cm, you need a help with a ruler. So here is a ruler and I am going to draw a line segment of 7.5 cm. Here is a basic point and this is how 7.5. So A and B is 7.5 cm. So this is how you have to draw a line segment with a given length. Okay, two lines is given over here, that is AB and the length is 3.6 cm and CD with a length of 9.3 cm, and we have to prove that AB plus CD means this two line, by adding you will get the 12.9 or not. Okay, so first of all we have to draw the line segment of 3.6 cm. So I am going to draw this. This is 3.6 cm A, B and 3.6 cm. Okay, now CD. This is 9.3. Here is a 1 and here is a 9.3. So this is how you have to draw the line segment of 9.3 cm. Okay, and this is this from this point to this point, this is CD. Okay, now if you measure this total line, means this two line AB plus CD, what you will get? Obviously you will get 12.9. okay, so means AB plus CD equals to 3.6 plus 9.3, this 12.9 cm. Okay, so by subtracting this two line segment, that is 10.6 and 6.4, we have to prove that 4.6 is there or not. So first of all we have to draw the line segment XY, that is 10.6 centimeter. So that you have to need a ruler. Here is your ruler and draw the line segment, that is 10.6 cm. So this is a line segment with 10.6 cm. Okay, sorry, XY 10 cm. Okay, now 6.4 cm you have to draw it here, or this side also you can draw it 6.4 cm. Okay, this line segment is ZQ 6.4 cm. Now you have to take this arc into the compass and you have to cut these portions, because we have to subtract and find out the rest of the portions. So for that you need a compass. So here is a compass and I am going to take that arc into my compass and place this in a starting point and cut this one. Okay, so this is a cut point. I hope you are able to see this one. Okay, now we have to measure this portion. This portion is 4.2 or not. So here is your look, this is 4.2 cm. That's mean x y minus zq equals to 4.2 cm. Okay, we can solve this by the equation also, like xy minus zq equals to, here is xy is 10.6 cm minus 6.4 cm. So after subtracting this, what you will get? Obviously you will get 4.2. Okay, so this is the way you have to find out. You have to prove PQ. The line segment of PQ is half of RS or not. Okay, so first of all we have to construct a line segment 8 cm with the help of ruler. Here 8 cm, this P and Q. Okay, now we have to prove that this is half of RS or not. So for that you have to bisect this line with the help of compass. First take this arc is more than half. Okay, now place this iron point at this point and cut it like this. Okay, we have to repeat this one at the bottom side also. This board is so slippery, that's why it's feel so difficult to do. Okay, now we have to make this 2 point. This point at this point. Okay, we had bisected. Now we have to measure that this portion is half of this or not. So measure this one. Look, this is 4 cm. So this is half of RS. So we have proved that PQ equals to half RS.